Hi friends, in this video I would be showing two methods to switch or change keyboard to Gboard. First let me check current keyboard. Open the search field. Open keyboard. See, this is a current keyboard. This is not Gboard. So I will show you how we can change this to Gboard. Method 1. Go to settings. Go to system. Go to keyboard. Then select current keyboard. Here you can see two options, lean keyboard, then Gboard. Right now lean keyboard, that is a current keyboard. Here we can change this to Gboard. See, this is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2, go to manage keyboards. From here you can see right now Gboard is disabled. So from here we can just turn off this lean keyboard, that's all. Then go back. See, it's automatically changed current keyboard to Gboard. This is a method 2. These are our two options. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.